trig values working backwards. Okay, so we are going to evaluate this. So which formula looks like that? So I go to my formula sheet, and that looks like this one. So sine of an angle, cos of an angle. So it's sine of a double angle. So that's the formula it matches. So what's the sine of twice that angle? Okay, so this would make, you can reduce the 2 and the 8, so pi over 4. And then I go to my unit circle, and at pi over 4, the sine value is root 2 over 2. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. Identify which one is this. So this formula is what? So sine cos plus cos sine. So I'm looking for something that looks like sine cos plus cos sine. So sine cos plus cos sine. So it matches this, sine A plus B. That's the formula it matches. So what is the sine of angle A plus angle B? Now I'm going to add these together by using a common denominator. So this would have to times by 3, and this would have to times by 4. So sine of 7 pi over 12, and that matches our answer. So that's B. Okay, evaluate this. So first of all, what is this formula? So cos minus sine. So right here I have a cos minus sine. So this would match cos of the added angles. So I'm going to add the angles. So pi over 20 plus a pi over 5. So now I'm going to use a common denominator. So 20. So do nothing with that one. Times this one by 4. So common denominator was that. Now I'm going to 1 plus 4 makes 5 pi over 20. And I'm going to reduce that. So cos of, divide by 5, divide by 5. Now I'm going to go to my unit circle, and I'm going to look there, and I'm going to say, well, what is the x value at pi over 4? So pi over 4, what's the x value? Root 2 over 2. Okay, identify the exact value. So what formula is this? So 2 cos squared of an angle minus 1. So that looks like here, 2 cos squared of an angle minus 1. So cos of a double angle. So what is cos of 2 times the angle of 15 degrees? So cos of 30 degrees. So I'm going to be going on to my unit circle, and what is the x coordinate there? So the x coordinate at 30, I go here, root 3 over 2. The answer is C.